I'm so excited. We just got our Learnstorm celebration kit in the mail. I'll go through and box and see what we got here. It says a little letter that says, inside you'll find some goodies to help celebrate your students' efforts and progress on Learnstorm. They've included pencils, stickers, motivational growth mindset posters, and some other classroom supplies generously donated by 3M. Thanks, 3M. We've got some tape here. And, ooh, we have some duct tape with some kitty cats. And some Scotch expressions with a zebra print. We have a notepad here. Some binder tabs. And a mouse pad. We also have a Post-it calendar. And some more tape, washi tape, with little popcorn and hot dogs and donuts. And then we have growth mindset posters. We have one that says, each wrong answer makes your brain a little bit stronger. We have keep going, keep growing. You can learn anything. And smart is something you become, not something you are. And then we've got a whole bunch of pencils, as well as some very cool stickers. Take a look and see. Lots of stickers. So super excited to share this with the kids tomorrow.